Hello guys and welcome to this video. Today I will share with you how to create a meeting ID and password. So guys, go to Meeting Team Live on Microsoft and sign up to your account here. After that guys, go to calendar. As you can see here, click this here, a new meeting. After that guys, write the title and name your or email or phone number and schedule your meeting data. And here no see repeat, click monthly or weekly and doesn't repeat itself. Or what you want to do guys, add the position and add little description here. And this part guys, you can bypass a waiting room and you can write the person who have invited all or only me. After that guys, can the present here all only me. And if you this is how you can create. If you want to show guys your password or ID, just click here meeting, right here edit, modify here. After that you find your ID here and you find your password also here guys, after loading this information. So guys, I hope this video helpful for you. Then don't forget to subscribe, like, share this video for more content.